Imagine a place where the ocean glows in shades of turquoise, where villas float above crystal-clear water, and where every sunrise feels like a dream. This is not imagination. This is the Maldives, a destination so beautiful it almost doesn't feel real. In this video, we will take you on a complete journey through the Maldives, exploring its islands, culture, luxury lifestyle, hidden secrets, travel tips, and everything in between. So sit back, relax, and let's begin our journey to paradise. The Maldives is located in the heart of the Indian Ocean, southwest of India and Sri Lanka. It consists of over 1,190 islands, grouped into 26 natural atolls. These islands are spread across nearly 90,000 square kilometers, making it one of the most geographically dispersed countries in the world. The islands of the Maldives were formed over thousands of years. They sit on top of ancient volcanic structures, surrounded by coral reefs that continue to grow and shape the land. Each island is small, flat, and surrounded by shallow lagoons. This unique geography is what creates the calm waters and stunning colors the Maldives is known for. One of the most breathtaking features of the Maldives is its water. From deep blue ocean to light turquoise lagoons, the color gradient is simply mesmerizing. The clarity comes from white sandy seabeds and minimal pollution. It's so clear, you can often see fish swimming even from above the surface. Beneath the surface lies a vibrant ecosystem. The Maldives is home to over 2,000 species of marine life, including coral reefs, tropical fish, manta rays, sea turtles, and reef sharks. This makes it one of the top diving destinations in the world. The Maldives has become a symbol of luxury travel. Overwater villas offer direct access to the ocean, private infinity pools, and breathtaking sunset views. Some resorts even have underwater restaurants and glass floors, making your stay feel like a dream. But beyond the luxury, there is a different side to the Maldives. Local islands show the real life of Maldivian people. Fishing is the backbone of the economy, and traditions are deeply rooted in daily life. The culture is influenced by South Asia, Arabia, and Africa, creating a unique blend of traditions. Food in the Maldives is simple yet flavorful. Tuna, coconut, and rice are the main ingredients. Popular dishes include grilled fish, coconut curry, and spicy Maldivian specialties. Fresh seafood is available almost everywhere. There is no shortage of things to do in the Maldives. You can go snorkeling, scuba diving, jet skiing, parasailing, or simply relax on the beach. Dolphin watching and sunset cruises are also popular experiences. The Maldives has a tropical climate. The best time to visit is from November to April, when the weather is sunny and dry. From May to October, it's the monsoon season, with occasional rain but fewer tourists. The Maldives is often seen as expensive. Luxury resorts can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars per night. But budget travel is possible by staying on local islands and using guest houses. Most travelers arrive at Malé International Airport. From there, you can take a speedboat or seaplane to your island. Transportation itself can be a unique experience, especially seaplane flights. The Maldives is the lowest country on Earth. It is highly vulnerable to rising sea levels due to climate change. Some islands are entirely private, owned by luxury resorts. The Maldives feels unreal because of its isolation, its untouched nature, and the perfect blend of luxury and simplicity. The Maldives is more than just a destination. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience, a place where dreams meet reality. Would you like to visit someday? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel journeys.